I've got a sneaky bonus binders keepers for you this week with some Halloween books, and I thought I would share these now because if you wanted to do them in the run up to Halloween, then you probably have to start fairly soon. So again, just like the space video that I've also got up, it's a gentle language arts curriculum where I have quick rhythm. We'll do a read aloud of another book and maybe some games, and then these are just some quick repeated activities that they can do each day that help build up those basic skills and build up a little bit of stamina with writing. I've been able to pitch each one obviously to the different ages of my children, so I've got 7, 4 and 2, but he really likes to join in, so I had to make him his own binder. And it's a simple rhythm again. So we've got reading and reading comprehension. We've got some practicing some sentence structure and unscrambling, and then we'll talk about how we can improve this sentence and add different adverbs and adjectives and so on. We've got some descriptive words that we can get going with some adjectives and talk about that. And I showed some of these in the space video as well. This is something that I can model writing a sentence here, and then he can have a go doing his own there. And again, it's just simple, straightforward, and nothing really intimidating about that if you've got a reluctant writer. And then a game, and this is all going to be speaking and listening. We're not going to do any writing for this bit. So again, they have these for all different topics, so you could repeat it for any topic that you want. Roll the dice, build up a story, and then we'll probably act it out or play it with some different Lego figures, whatever we fancy. And that just repeats through with some different activities as well. My daughter, similar, starts off with a reading, but just reading captions. Some of these sheets are the same, but then I've added in some cutting skills and fine motor skills. She would just dictate to me here, or she likes to have a go at writing, so she can have a go at writing as well. And some more games. I'll just flick through so you can see the other types of activities that we've got. Added in some pattern things for her, some writing, a few different types of composing, different stories and so on. And on the back, just for myself, I've just made a little note of the different things that we're doing. Some days exactly the same, other days just slightly different because of their ages. And this is my toddler's book because he likes to join in. I wouldn't necessarily make one otherwise, but he's very keen to join in. And I've just again repeated the same pattern because it makes it a lot easier when you're looking for resources. And there are the topics that we're going to be looking at. I'll just give you a quick example. So there's his page that you can collage, and I'll have some different supplies out each week for that. And I was asked, is it easy to do envelopes in these? And it was actually really easy. And I've sealed it up actually, so there's a matching pairs quiz in here that we can open up. We've got some sorting, big and small. And this page will just pull out really easily, and I can cut it up and we can sort it out together. And I made this on Create, and it was great actually because I could just repeat the same thing for the different topics as well. Some shape matching, and a scavenger hunt that he can do around the house. And then I just repeat that same rhythm for owls. There they are. And I'll just show you what I did for some of the shape matching where we didn't have something. I made this on Create really easy, and there are the shapes to cut out and stick in. And then what I did is just switched out the moon to a pumpkin for the next one. So it was really easy on Create to just create more of the same type of thing, and then you've got consistency in patterns. So a few different things, envelopes throughout, so that it's all there when I need it.